What's in a homemade anti-aging face mask, and do face masks make you look younger? Much of the beauty world has an obsession with anti-aging skincare. And many find themselves looking for a magic bottle to erase the signs of aging. Unfortunately, many products labeled anti-aging have a minimal amount of an active ingredient and often include ingredients we should avoid altogether, like plastics and parabens in addition to other fillers. The secret to a homemade anti-aging face mask that works is using only nutrient-dense active ingredients without fillers or toxic ingredients. As a result, you can achieve a gorgeous, glowy, younger-looking complexion. The beauty of making your own skincare products is in the selection. You can choose the quality and purpose of each ingredient. And you can format it for your skin type. Don't know your skin type? Take our skin type quiz. That's right. You can skip the overpriced anti-aging products and restore your skin and youthful glow with a homemade anti-aging face mask. The best face mask for anti-aging softens fine lines and plumps up the skin, diminishing the signs of aging. And in turn, it supplements the skin with high levels of nutrients such as antioxidants and alpha-hydroxy acids to help prevent free radical damage in aging skin. This homemade anti-aging face mask recipe is better than Botox. Its unique combination of hibiscus, clay, and rosehip cleanses, moisturizes, softens, and nourishes the skin for a noticeable youthful glow. Hibiscus contains a high antioxidant amount, powerful against free radicals, often the culprit for premature aging. Source. And according to the experts at Pronounce Skincare, hibiscus is an anti-aging plant like no other. Filled with collagen-boosting properties to increase skin elasticity, alpha-hydroxy acids, AHAs, speed up cell turnover and firm the skin for a natural youthful boost. This anti-aging powerhouse known as the Botox plant is the secret ingredient for making the best anti-aging face mask. Let me show you why. Hibiscus contains gentle, natural surfactants that act as a deep cleanser for your pores. Unlike other surfactants, it won't leave your skin feeling dry or sensitive. And it happens to be antibacterial too. Source. With a high vitamin C content, the hibiscus boosts collagen and tightens the skin. Source. Due to the anti-inflammatory properties of hibiscus, it can soothe the skin and aid in the repair of blemishes or other skin issues. Source. As a rich source of AHAs, hibiscus dissolves dead skin cells and reveals fresh new skin underneath. And the high antioxidant levels aid in the protection from free radical damage, improving the skin's overall appearance. So, if there's any plant that contains Botox properties, it's hibiscus. Are you ready to tighten, lift, and renew your skin? How do you make an anti-aging face mask? Beloved by beauty icons era after era, face masks are the art of natural beauty. Luxurious and rejuvenating face masks are an important component of natural skincare for all skin types. By selecting a clay based on your needs and combining it with other key ingredients like hibiscus powder and rosehip seed oil, you can clear the way for youthful skin. For this homemade face mask, I chose kaolin clay as the base. A white clay consisting of essential nutrients and phytonutrients for healthy skin. Learn more about the benefits of kaolin clay and why it's amazing for the skin in my article covering each clay type. Now, let's get to this homemade face mask recipe. Hibiscus anti-aging face mask ingredients. 1/2 teaspoon hibiscus powder. 1 teaspoon kaolin clay. 1 teaspoon yogurt. 4 drops rosehip seed oil. How to make an anti-aging face mask. In a small bowl, combine 1/2 teaspoon hibiscus powder, 1 teaspoon kaolin clay, 1 teaspoon of plain organic yogurt, and 4 drops of rosehip seed oil. Using a small wooden spoon or face mask bowl and spatula, like mine, blend the ingredients until a creamy mask forms.